Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Boomerangme. Boomerangme is a tool that will help you to convert your one-time customer into a permanent customer. This Boomerangme tool is a tool by which you can create basically the digital loyalty cards for your customers. And the lifetime value of a customer is very important, guys, to run a successful business. Let's say you have one business and you have gotten one customer. Now you have to make sure that this customer is not for one time only. This customer is a permanent customer. That means to be successful on your business, you have to make sure that this customer is permanent customer. This customer is buying your service or your products every single month or every single day or every single week, or whenever he will need your service or your product or the product or service that you provide, he will only purchase it from you. This type of relationship you have to build with your customer. That means you have to capture the mind of your customer. And how can you do this? This Boomerangme tool will help you to do this great thing, guys. You can create digital loyalty card. Let's say you have the customer and you are making profit from him. Let's say for every sale you are making $20 profit from him. Now if you give him any digital loyalty cards, or if you give him any type of reward that will pay him $1, or let's say 0.5 dollar or 5 cent for every purchase, it will not be a great lose for you. It will be a win-win situation. I hope you get idea, guys. Now if you give this reward in a form of paper, then to store this paper for later use, your customer will not be so much interested basically, because people do not want to carry the papers. So if you use this Boomerangme tool, guys, you can give them digital loyalty cards, and people can get them by using Google Play Store or Apple Wallet. So no matter whether your customer is using Apple or Android, he can get the digital loyalty cards from you. And by using this amazing marketing strategy, this digital loyalty card strategy, you can capture the mind of your customer, and then you can convert your one time customer into a permanent customer. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Boomerangme tool. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Boomerangme, the lifetime deal pricing is here 99 USD for the single code. But if you need more code, then the price will increase, guys. And if you need everything unlimited, then you have to get this code 5 basically. See, in code 4 everything is not unlimited, but in code 5 everything is unlimited, and it will cost you 495 USD. But the tool is really great, guys, and the idea behind this tool is really unique, so it's not so high, but you can get at least 10% discount, guys, on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Boomerangme lifetime deal. And see, this tool has been launched on AppSumo a few days ago, June 29, 2022. On this date, this tool has been launched on AppSumo, and today, as of now, I am recording this video. Today is July 4. So within 5 to 6 days, it has gotten 22 reviews. See, the reviews are very legit. If you check the reviews, see, everyone is saying that the tool is good. See, this person has bought 329 deals from AppSumo, and this person is saying sub account plan is good. So everyone is giving here 5-star review. So I hope the tool will be helpful for you also. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Boomerangme and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of Boomerangme that you will get whenever you log in or sign up on this software. Here you can see the summary of your dashboard. You can see the number of new customer, issued card in a specific date, and you can see how many number of new customer you have gotten, how many number of people have issued your card, and you can see your feedback rating, dissatisfied customers data. You can also track your referral program from here. But the main feature of this tool is these cards. So if I go to this cards section, guys, and here see there have various template. You can use their template. You can also create it from scratch, but for this video I'll use one template so that it will not kill a lot of time. So I'm going to the template section, and see there have a lot of templates. Almost 100 plus templates are available here, guys. See, they have template for haircut, ATV rental, art, bags and accessories. They have for bakery, for bar, for barbecue, for barber shop, for bike rental shop. So a lot of template that are available, guys. So let's say for this video I will explore this bike rental template, and all the feature that I will show you here on this bike rental template, all features are available on this template. So just click here, open. See, there you can create a stamp, subscription card, you can create the discount card, cashback card, coupon and certificate card also. And the process are almost same. See, these things are changing here. I hope you get idea, guys. And then if you continue, let's say we will create one subscription card here. So let's continue it. Now there are the seating parts. Here you have to select your language. See, these are the languages that are available here. These are the languages. After that, you can also set up the card expiration date. You can set up it as unlimited. You can also fix a specific time, and you can also fix term after card issuing. So you can select anyone that you need. So let's say I'll select here unlimited. After that, you can also target here geolocation. That means for a specific geolocation, this card will be valid. So these are the things. And see, here I have option for location. If you want to add location, then you can add your location basically from here. After that, they have option for card issuing form. So here you can select what are the information that you want to get from your customers. They have option for first name, last name, phone, email, date of birth, text, URL. So these are the things, guys. You can select any field. You can add more field from here if you need. So these are the things, guys. And you can also select that if this information should be unique or not. These are the things. After that, they have option for UTM. You can also add here UTM parameter. You can have the phone mask. See, in the phone mask section, these countries are available. So you can also select the phone mask. They have the privacy policy. They have consent to the processing of personal data. That means people have to give you consent to process their personal data. And if you want people can log in by using Facebook, then you have to select this option. After that, they have option for show logo at card issuing form and show background color on card issuing form. You can enable it or disable it. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, just click here continue, and now you have to design your card. You can here select how many number of stamps you want to offer to your customer. Let's say you want to offer 12 number of cards. See here, this number of card will be changed. See, it's changing. So depending on your desire and depending on your demand, you can select any one that you need. After that, they have option for bicycle team. See here, I have been selected bicycle, and here have a lot of other stamp. Let me see. They have ATV, airplane, they have anchor, then they have auto parts. See, a lot of template that are available. You can use any one of them from here. If you select here, let's say you will select here this burger. So if I select a burger, these things will be changed into burger. These are the things, guys. And here you can also select active stamp and inactive stamp also. See, I have been activated two stamp here, and if you want to change the inactive stamp number, then you can also change it. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. After that, they have logo. You can change the logo of your card. You can change the icon of your card. Let's say I will change the logo. So let's say this one is my logo. You can select any of your logo basically from here. After that, they have option for background under stamp. So you can also select the background under stamp from here. I hope you get idea, guys. See, your logo will be shown like that. So these are the things. And after doing everything, there have color option. You can change the color, field name, etc. After that, just continue. Now here have option for information, and see there have card description. You can change the card description. See, this is the card description. If you change these things, it will be changed here automatically. So see, let's say I'll delete these points. See, the points has been deleted from here. So these are the things, guys. And after that, here you can add your company name. Let's say the company name is Passivern and see the Passivern name has been added here. Similarly, they have service name, they have number of points for using the card, they have messages about the accountant use of the card. See, a lot of information that are available. So you can add here any type of information and any type of amazing information that you want to use the card. You can also add here the terms of use. You can link to full term of condition here. You can issue the information for a specific company, and then after editing everything, then you have to just finish it. And see, we have been created these things for Apple Store. See, here you can create it for Apple Store, for Play Store also. So the card has been created, guys. Now you can send this card to your customer through this message. You can also send the QR code. Also, they will provide you link. You can open this link and you have to activate the card basically. So let's say I'll activate the card and then activate it. So the card will be activated. So the card has been activated, guys. Now if I go to the card section, here you will see all your cards that you have been created. These are the things, guys. See, this card I has been created right now. See the last one that I have been created right now. These are the things, guys. You can download the PDF, you can copy it, you can delete this card basically from here. And if you open it, let me open it. Let's say I will open the link from here. And see, here people have to submit their first name, last name, their phone, their date of birth, and then they will get the card basically. These are the things, guys. This is the whole process behind this tool. And by using this digital loyalty program or digital reward program, you can increase the revenue of your business. You can convert your one time customer into a permanent customer. These are the things, guys. After that, they have option for customer. You can see all your customer list from here basically. That means people who will get your reward or who will get your digital card, all the information of these people will be added here. After that, they have option to push. So you can send push notification to your customer also from this tool. See, in this way the push notification will be shown. On average, a person check their phone almost 200 times a day. So if you send them this type of push notification, see, this type of push notification, if you send them, definitely they will convert for your service or for your product. And see, here you can select which card you want to send them as push notification. You can select here for all customer or for a specific segment. And then here I have the message, so you can add the message here, a message here. See, as I'm writing here message here, there are the message here writing. So these are the things, and then you can just send them. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have option for geolocation. You can also target the geolocation of your customer. That means you can send push notification for a specific locations customer. These are the things, guys. After that, they have option for manager. You can add your manager or your account manager basically here in this section. After that, they have option for setting. So if I go to the setting, you can here see the plan, the personal information, and you can see the integration. So let me go to the integration. See, they have Boomerangme API. So you will get access the API, and then you can connect it to any other tool that you want basically. I hope you get idea, guys. And see, these are the integrations that are available, and their Shopify and integrately integration is also available. After that, they have option for agency, guys. And if you activate this agency plan, then you can get some additional plan. See, you can get what level fee sub account for customers. You can set up plans for sub accounts, and you can also get Stripe integration. So let me activate it. Let me show you how things work here. Let me activate the agency plan. So to activate the agency plan, I have to pay basically 499 USD more. Hey, it's redirecting me to the Stripe account. I hope you get idea, guys. And this is the whole idea behind this tool. If you think, guys, you need this type of digital loyalty card for your business, then you can get this Boomerangme lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Boomerangme lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. And the tool is really amazing, guys, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.